Hello, welcome back to another video. We were discussing exercise 9.2 of chapter 9 sequences and series, standard 11 mathematics NCERT textbook. We have already discussed the first 10 questions. So we can see the remaining questions. So 11th question. Sum of the first P, Q and R terms of an AP are A, B and C respectively. Prove that A by P into Q minus R plus B by Q into R minus P plus C by R into P minus Q is equal to 0. Here sum of first P terms, Q terms and R terms are given. That is SP is equal to given A, SQ is equal to B and SR is equal to C. What is SP? Sum to P terms. Sum to N terms Sn is N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Therefore, SP is P by 2 into 2A plus P minus 1 into D. Here A is given value. Therefore, we can substitute some other value to first term. Say we can take A1, first term A1 equal to A. And what is SQ? Q by 2 into 2A1 plus Q minus 1 into D, which is equal to B. And what is SR? R by 2 into 2A1 plus R minus 1 into D, which is equal to C. Or we can write this one by 2A1 plus P minus 1 into D equal to 2A by P. And this is 2A1 plus Q minus 1 into D equal to 2B by Q. This is 2A1 plus R minus 1 into D is equal to 2C by R. Let it be 1, 2 and this one 3. Now we can solve this equation. We are writing in this way to make it easy to solve. Okay. Now 1 minus 2 is equal to 2A1 minus 2A1, which is 0. Then D into P minus 1 minus of Q minus 1. D into P minus 1 minus of Q minus 1, that is minus Q plus 1, which is equal to 2 into A by P minus B by Q. That is D into minus 1 plus 1 is 0. P minus Q is equal to 2 into A by P minus B by Q. Or we can say P minus Q is equal to 2 by D into, here we have P minus Q, that's why we are writing in terms of P minus Q. Implies P minus Q is equal to 2 by D into A by P minus B by Q. Now 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 implies 2A1 minus 2A1 is 0. D into P minus 1 minus of R minus 1, that is D into minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0, P minus R. D into P minus R is equal to 2A by P minus 2C by R. Or we get P minus R is equal to, here 2 by D into A by P minus C by R. So we have this one and 2 minus 3 implies 2A1 minus 2A1, 0. D into Q minus R. D into Q minus R is equal to 2 into B by Q minus C by R, which is Q by R is equal to 2 by D into B by Q minus C by R. Now substitute this P minus Q, P minus R and Q minus R in this equation, then it will become 0. See. Now A by P into, instead of Q minus R, we can write 2 by D into B by Q minus C by R. 2 by D into B by Q minus C by R plus B by Q into, instead of R minus P, we can write this is P minus R is minus of R minus P. Minus 2 by D into A by P minus C by R. Plus C by R into, instead of P minus Q, we can write 2 by D into A by P minus B by Q, which is equal to, here 2 by D is common, 2 by D into, we can expand this, AB by PQ minus AC by PR. Here 2 by D we take common, minus AB by PQ, minus of minus, plus BC by QR, plus 2 by D we have taken AC by PR minus BC by QR. See, AB by PQ minus AB by PQ get cancelled, minus AC by PR plus AC by PR get cancelled, BC by QR minus BC by QR get cancelled, which is equal to 2 by D into 0, which is equal to 0. So simple. We have given SP, SQ and SR is equal to A, B and C respectively. Then we are substituting, instead of SP, P by 2 into 2A plus P minus 1 into D. And similarly, instead of SQ and SR. And then we are solving these equations. We will get this one is equal to 0. Next question. The ratio of the sums of m and n terms of an AP is m square is to n square. Show that the ratio of mth and nth term is 2m minus 1 is to 2n minus 1. We have already done similar type of problems with the values here m and n. See, given ratio of sum of m and n terms, that is sm by sn is equal to m square by n square. We have to find am by an. What is sm? m by 2 into 2a plus m minus 1 into d. By Sn is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, which is equal to m square by n square. Here 1 by 2 get cancelled. M square by n square is m by n into m by n. So 1 m by n is get cancelled. This is 2a plus m minus 1 into d by 2a plus n minus 1 into d equal to m by n. What is am by an? Am by an is a plus m minus 1 into d by a plus n minus 1 into d. So to get m by n, put m is equal to 2m minus 1 in this equation. Put m is equal to 2m minus 1. Then this equation becomes 2a plus 2m minus 1 minus 1, that is 2m minus 2 into d by 2a plus 2n minus 2 into d, which is equal to 2m minus 1 by 2n minus 1. Here 2 is common, take outside, that is 2 into a plus m minus 1 into d by 2 into a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 2m minus 1 by 2n minus 1. Here 2 get cancelled, that is a plus m minus 1 into d by a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 2m minus 1 by 2n minus 1. This is we have to prove. Am by a is equal to 2m minus 1 by 2n minus 1. Ratio of mth and nth term is 2m minus 1 is to 2n minus 1. Next question. If the sum of n terms of an AP is 3n square plus 5n and its mth term is 164, find the value of m. We have given Sn, sum to n terms. Sn is equal to 3n square plus 5n. And its nth term, that is am, is equal to 164. Find the value of m. We know am is a plus m minus 1 into d. So we need first term and a common difference given Sn. Now what is S1? S1 is equal to 3 into 1 square plus 5n. That is 3 into 1 plus 5, which is equal to 8. What is S2? S2 is equal to 3 into 2 square plus 5 into 2. That is 3 into 4. 12 plus 10, which is equal to 22. See, S1 is sum to first terms. That is A1. A1 is equal to 8. And S2 is A1 plus A2. Sum to first two terms. A1 plus A2 is equal to S2. So what will be A2? A2 is equal to A1 plus A2 minus A1. That is 22 minus A1. S2 minus A1, which is equal to 22 minus 8, which will be equal to 14. So we have A1 and A2. Then what will be the common difference? Common difference is equal to A2 minus A1, which is equal to 14 minus 8 is equal to 6. Now we can substitute the first term and a common difference in the formula for mth term. What is the formula for mth term? A plus m minus 1 into d. Given this is equal to 164. Here a is first term is 8. 8 plus m minus 1 into common difference is 6 is equal to 164. That is 8 plus 6m minus 6 is equal to 164. 8 minus 6 is 2. That is 6m plus 2 is equal to 164, or 6m is equal to 164 minus 2, 162, and m is equal to 162 divided by 6 equal to 27. So the value of m is 27. Next question. Insert 5 numbers between 8 and 26 such that the resulting sequence is an AP. We have to insert 5 numbers. Let capital A1, capital A2, etc. A5 be the 5 numbers between 8 and 26. Then we know 8, A1, A2, etc. A5 and 26 forms an AP. We have to find A1, A2, etc. A5. What is the first term here? First term is equal to 8. And 26 is the 1, 2, etc. 6, 7. Seventh term. That is, we can write A7 is equal to 26. So we can find common difference. A7 is A plus n minus 1 into d. That is A plus 6d is equal to 26. A is given 8. 8 plus 60 is equal to 26. Or we can write it 60 is equal to 26 minus 8. That is 18. And d is equal to 18 by 6 is equal to 3. So we have common difference. Now A1 is the second term. Second term is a first term plus common difference. Therefore we can write A1 is equal to 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. A2 is equal to 11 plus 3, 14. And A3 is equal to 14 plus 3, 17. A4 is equal to 20. A5 is equal to 23. Or we have another method. We already studied that if we have to insert 5 numbers between 2 numbers to form an AP, then the common difference is b minus a by n plus 1. Here b is equal to 26, a is equal to 8 and n is equal to 5, which is equal to 26 minus 8 by 6, which is equal to 18 by 6, which is 3. Then capital A1 is equal to a plus 3, that is 8 plus 3, and like that. Next question. If a raised to n plus b raised to n divided by a raised to n minus 1 plus b raised to n minus 1 is the AM, arithmetic mean between a and b, then find the value of n. Given the arithmetic mean between a and b is a raised to n plus b raised to n by a raised to n minus 1 plus b raised to n minus 1. But we know the arithmetic mean between a and b is a plus b by 2. We have arithmetic mean between a and b is equal to a plus b by 2. Given this is equal to a raised to n plus b raised to n by a raised to n minus 1 plus b raised to n minus 1. From this we can find the value of n. This is equal to a plus b into, get this term to the side and 2 to the side, a raised to n minus 1 plus b raised to n minus 1 is equal to 2 into a raised to n plus b raised to n. This is a into a raised to n minus 1, that is a raised to n. A into a raised to n minus 1 is a raised to n minus 1 plus 1, which is a raised to n, plus a into b raised to n minus 1 plus b into a raised to n minus 1 plus b into b raised to n minus 1, that is b, equal to 2a raised to n plus 2b raised to n. Now get this a raised to n plus b raised to n to the side. That is a b raised to n minus 1 plus b a raised to n minus 1 equal to 2a raised to n minus a raised to n, that is a raised to n, plus 2b raised to n minus b raised to n is equal to b raised to n. Now get the terms with the p power to one side and a power to the other side. See, a b raised to n minus 1 minus b raised to n is equal to a raised to n minus b a raised to n minus 1. Here b raised to n minus 1 is common. We get b raised to n minus 1 into a minus b equal to, here a raised to n minus 1 is common, into a minus b. Get this term to the side. Here a minus b by a minus b is equal to 1. 1 equal to a raised to n minus 1 by b raised to n minus 1, or we can say equal to a by b the whole raised to n minus 1. But what is 1? 1 is equal to a by b the whole raised to 0. So we can say n minus 1 equal to 0, or we can say n equal to 1. So simple, just equating this one. Next question. Between 1 and 31, m numbers have been inserted in such a way that the resulting sequence is an AP. And the ratio of 7th and m minus 1th number is 5:9. Find the value of m. Here m numbers are inserted between 1 and 31. We can call it a1, a2, etc. am. Let capital A1, A2, etc. am be the m numbers between 1 and 31. And also given the ratio of 7th and m minus 1th number is 5:9. That is a7 by am minus 1 equal to 5/9. What is the arithmetic progression here? First term is 1, a1, a2, etc. am, and last term is 31. This is the AP. Here given the ratio of 7th and m minus 1th number, not 7th and m minus 1th term. Be careful, okay? But we know a1 is the second term, a2 is the third term. Like that, a7 is the 8th term. We can write a7 is equal to 8th term of this AP. And am minus 1 is equal to mth term of this AP. So we can write this as a8 by am, that is a plus 7d by a plus 7d by a plus m minus 1 into d equal to 5/9. Now we have to find d. We already have an equation that if we have to insert n numbers between a and b, then the common difference is b minus a by n plus 1. Here instead of n we have m. So d is equal to 31 minus 1, 30 by m plus 1. Substituting this d, we get a plus 7 into 30 by m plus 1 by a plus m minus 1 into 30 by m plus 1 equal to 5 by 9. Now see the numerator. Make the denominator as m plus 1. That is a into m plus 1 plus 7 into 30 is 210 by m plus 1 divided by, here a into m plus 1 plus 30m minus 30. 30 into m minus 1 is 30m minus 30 by m plus 1. This is a into m plus 1 plus 210 by m plus 1 into m plus 1 by a into m plus 1 plus 30m minus 30. That is m plus 1 we can cancel. It is equal to 5 by 9. We have the first term as 1. So we can remove this a. 1 into m plus 1, 1 into m plus 1. This is m plus 1 plus 210. That is m plus 211 by m plus 1 plus 30m minus 30. That is m plus 30m is 31m plus 1 minus 30 is minus 29. 31m minus 29 equal to 5 by 9. This is 9 into m plus 211 equal to 5 into 31m minus 29. That is 9 into m plus 211 into is equal to 1899. Which is equal to 5 into 31m. That is 155m minus 29 into 5. 145. Now 1899 plus 145 is equal to 2044 equal to 155m minus 9m 146m. From this we get m is equal to 2044 divided by 146 which is equal to 14. So the value of m is 14. Next question. A man starts repaying a loan as first installment of rupees 100. If he increases the installment by rupees 5 every month, what amount he will pay in the 30th month? Here in the first month he pay rupees 100. Therefore the first term we can take as 100. If he increases the installment by rupees 5 every month, so next month what will be the amount? 105. And the third month 110. So the common difference is 5. What amount he will pay in the 30th month? We have to find A30. A30 is equal to A plus 29D. Here A is equal to 100 plus 29 into 5 which is equal to 100 plus 145 is equal to 245. So in the 30th month he has to pay rupees 245. The last question is, the difference between any two consecutive interior angles of a polygon is a 5 degree. If the smallest angle is a 120 degree, find the number of sides of the polygon. Here given the smallest angle is 120 degree. So we can take first term as a equal to 120 degree. And also given difference between any two consecutive interior angles of a polygon is 5 degree. That is any two consecutive angle, the difference is 5 degree. So we can take second term as 120 degree plus 5. The difference is 5. So it is 125. Second term is equal to 125. Or we can say common difference is equal to 5 degree. We have to find the number of sides of the polygon. What is the sum of all interior angles of a polygon? See, for a triangle, what is the sum of all angles? This angle plus this angle plus this angle will be 180 degree. And for a quadrilateral, we can say the sum is 360 degree, which is equal to 180 degree into 2. And for a pentagon, 5-sided, we can say the angle is 540. That is 180 into 3. So for n-sided polygon, we can say the angle is 180 into, here 3 sides, 180 into 1. Here 4 sides, 180 into 2, 4 minus 2. Here 5 sides, 180 into 3, 5 minus 2. So we can say n minus 2, 180 into n minus 2. This is sum of all interior angles of a polygon. So we can say sum of all angles, sum of all interior angles of a polygon is 180 into n minus 2. That is Sn is equal to 180 into n minus 2. But what is Sn? Sum to n terms formula. N is 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is, we can write 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d equal to given 180 into n minus 2. Take this 2 to this side. We can expand this. Before that, substitute a and d. That is n by 2 into 2 into 120, that is 240, plus 5 into n minus 1 equal to 180 into n minus 2. Take this 2 to this side. This is 240n plus 5n minus 5 into n, that is 5n square minus 5n equal to 2 to this side, that is 360 into n minus 2, that is 360n minus 360 into 2, 720, which is equal to 5n square. Now terms of n, 240n minus 5n minus 360n, which is equal to minus 125n plus 720 equal to 0. Here 5 can be taken common. 5 into n square minus 25n plus 144 equal to 0. Here get this 5 to this side. That is 0 by 5, 0. That is n square minus 25n plus 144 equal to 0. Solve this equation using the formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So we get n is equal to 9 or 16. So polygon with the 9 sides will have this properties, and also the polygon with the 16 side also will satisfies these conditions. Okay, the answer is 9 and 16. So our exercise is over. In the next video, we can discuss geometric progression. See you in the next video. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.